Hello, in this video we're gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on Realme 10. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find this Firefox browser, so click on the top and look for this specific Firefox. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here we can customize a theme, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change privacy protection settings, read the privacy notice, and finally click on start browsing. Here open any website, and as you can see the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.